Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email is a good example of how to write clearly when you need time off for personal reasons. You can pause the video to read the full answer if you need more time. The writer covers all 3 points from the task. She gives a reason for the absence, a family emergency, explains how long she will be away, and offers help during that time. The email starts with a greeting and a sentence that states the purpose. Then there are 2 body paragraphs that explain the situation and offer support. Finally, it ends with a polite closing sentence and a clear sign-off. This is the right tone for writing to a manager. It is respectful and easy to understand. The writer uses simple linking words like because, while, also, and for example. These words help connect the ideas and make the email smooth to read. There are also 2 stretch words, appointments and therapy. These are a little more advanced, but they are used correctly and clearly. One helpful tip for beginner writers is to keep your ideas short and clear. Don't try to write long or complicated sentences. Instead, focus on answering each bullet point one by one. This makes your writing easier to read and understand. This response gives a clear and complete answer to the task. You can pause the video now to finish reading the full text. The writer chooses option A and explains it well, with two strong reasons. One reason is safety at night, and the other is preventing crime. The writer says clearly, brighter lighting helps people feel safe and supports it with examples. The structure of the email is also very strong. It begins with a clear opinion. Then, there are two body paragraphs that give reasons and examples. Finally, it ends with a short conclusion that repeats the main idea. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which is right for a city survey. Some helpful linking words in this answer are firstly, secondly, also, and so. These words help organize ideas clearly. The two stretch words are criminals and solution. Both are a bit higher level, but are used in a simple way that fits the context. If you are a beginner, one great tip is to follow a clear structure. Start with your opinion, give two reasons with examples, then end with a short conclusion. This helps your answer stay focused and easy to follow. This response clearly answers the task and explains the opinion in a strong and easy-to-follow way. If you need more time to read, pause the video now. The writer chooses option B and gives two clear reasons. The first reason is that police can respond fast, and the second is that cameras help catch people who break the law. The structure is very clear. The answer starts with a sentence saying which option the writer prefers. Then there are two short paragraphs with reasons and examples. The last paragraph gives a final opinion. This is the right structure for CELPIP Writing Task 2. The tone is polite but also confident. This fits the situation because it is a city survey. Linking words like first of all, also, so, and that's why help the ideas move smoothly. The two stretch words are presence and respond. These are a little more advanced, but are used in a way that's easy to understand. A useful tip for beginner learners is to practice giving clear reasons. Think of examples from real life to support your answer. This will help your writing sound more natural and complete.